Looking for an AI tool that can create animation videos in any style, whether it is Studio Ghibli, anime, 3D Pixar, or any other cartoon style? This tool changes everything. Not only can it create high-quality animation images in any style, but it can also turn those images into breathtaking videos. And it doesn't stop there. You will get consistent results every single time. With this tool, you can also generate consistent results. Compared to other top-tier tools, the generation from this tool is smooth and without any creepiness. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the entire process, showing how to turn text prompts into complete story images and then bring those images to life as videos. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Animon is an amazing AI tool for generating animated images of any style. Later on, you can convert these images into videos. This tool has two features, Community and Studio. You can try its latest and most powerful feature for just $1 for a 3-day trial. Its basic plan costs $50 per month with 4,800 credits. Also, this tool offers a credits-based subscription as well. Let's start with its image generation tool first. You can generate images from text and later create consistent character images along with image editing options. We will discuss each option in detail. Let's start with text to image. For the text prompt, I will use ChatGPT's latest model. Here in ChatGPT, I will ask, give me Studio Ghibli style animation story video ideas. Here we have a couple of story ideas. Let's copy this story idea, paste it here, and press enter. Now we have a scene-by-scene story breakdown. Next, I will ask it to generate the character prompts. Make sure the prompt matches the style we selected. Now copy the first scene prompt. To generate perfect scene details, I will ask it to add these details. I will change the style to Studio Ghibli. And here we have a detailed prompt for our first scene. You can fix the length and ask it to give you a prompt under 900 characters, as our tool supports only 1,000 characters. And here we have a detailed and perfect prompt to generate images and videos. Now copy this text prompt, go to the tool, and paste it here. With the free plan, you can choose the first model, but we will go with the Studio model. Here we have a couple of aspect ratios, but I will go with the landscape aspect ratio. Under the Style tab, we have multiple animation styles. Let me start with the No Style option first. You can choose up to 8 images per generation. Keep in mind the credits consumption. I will go with 2 images per generation. Here you can see the credits breakdown. Click on the Generate button and wait for a couple of seconds. And here we have the amazing images. Now I will choose this anime style and generate the images again. These images also look good. You can feel the difference between the generations. You can also upscale an image by clicking on this option. Now I will copy the second scene text, paste it here. And here we have the text prompt for our second scene. Now copy this text and paste it inside this tool. Without any style, I will generate the next scene images. And here we have the images for our second scene. By following this procedure, I will generate the images for all the scenes. Some scenes have multiple characters. Let's see how it handles that. In ChatGPT, I will paste the scene details. And here you can see that we have another character perfectly incorporated into our prompt. Copy this text prompt and paste it here. Here we have an amazing and consistent result. And here we have another result that looks consistent with our previous image. Here I have generated all the images for this story. Apart from this story, I have also generated images in other animation styles as well. Let's move to the image-to-image feature of this tool. Here, I will choose a reference image. Paste the scene prompt. Choose the aspect ratio and number of images, and click on the Generate Image button. Here we have the result. And here we have the images for the next scene. You can see the character consistency across all the scenes. We can also generate consistent images for other styles as well. Let's move on to the image editing option. Upload or select any image from the assets library. Paste the text prompt and generate the image. And here we have the images. You can also change the image styles. So, you can play around with different options to generate and edit images. Let's head over to the video generation. Choose the image from the assets library. Copy and paste the text prompt. Choose the video quality as 720p resolution. Click on the Generate button and wait for a couple of minutes. And here we have the video. This result looks good. The character and background look consistent. Let's choose another image and generate the video. And look at this amazing animation video. Everything looks perfect. Here, I have generated a couple of videos for this single image, and you can see the consistency in the results. Let's choose another image. This time, I will choose the video quantity as 2 per generation. And look at the amazing output. Let's choose the images that we generated for our story. Rather than pasting full details, I will paste a simple prompt. Now click on the Generate button and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. And here we have the result. It looks amazing. By following this procedure, I have generated all the story videos. The only issue you might face is the slow motion of each generation. This tool also has an option to generate transformation videos from one scene to the next scene. Upload the first and last scene images. Paste the prompt text. Choose the number of videos per generation and click on the Generate button. And here we have the transition type video from one scene to another. That looks good. Here, I have compared the generations from this tool to those of other top-tier tools. And you can see the difference in generation. The generations from Animon are smooth and realistic. In comparison, other tools struggle, especially for animation-type videos. So, this tool can help you generate any type of animation video from images. What do you think of these generations? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.